8:03 and we're about to leave because we're going on a ship and you drive around, you go to the Blue Lagoon. Hopefully you know that. Hopefully you know where that is in Cyprus. But yeah, it's like really clear water, and then we get to drive the ship there and you can like scuba and see under the water and see where the fish is. But yeah, we've done it last time we came, like 2 years ago. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be cool. So bye.
I'm alive again. Alive again. Oh, you make me feel like I'm alive again. Said I can't go on, not in this way. I'm a dreamer, die by light of day. Gonna hold up I own it. I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart underneath my skin. Oh, I can feel my heart beating. 'Cause you make me feel like I'm alive again. Everything you want to dream away. Under this pressure, under this weight, we are diamonds taking shape. We are diamonds taking shape.
It's DJ Telly Tales, DJ Telly Tales. Empire.
You told me this ain't no to us.
Messi? Who the f is Bobby? Who the f is Neymar? Who the f is Dowski? Ayy, who's that face that waste that makes that likes that fakes that no facts? I got no cat, no wine, no man, no man, no man, no man. Te puta, tell him and I tell him me gusta. Can't tell him, I tell him puta, I can't tell him and I tell him un euro. Suey, me, ay, suey, me, ay, it's me, see.
Right, I apologise for not recording today. It's just because I mentioned yesterday I've hurt my ear and it's really painful at times. So yeah, I couldn't really like record stuff because I'm just trying to sort out like taking paracetamols and tablets to make my ear pain go away. But if you want to know what we had for dinner, my dad cooked up some really nice pasta along with some vegetarian meatballs, and there was also like everyone got a slice of pizza each, which was really good. Oh, and for lunch, I forgot to show lunch as well. I had a egg and cheese and tomato like roll sandwich. It's like a baguette, sorry, but like softer, and that was actually really good. I hope to put in footage of me on the dingo. That's what the guy called it. It was really funny. And yeah, I'm going really fast, so hopefully just after the clips of the Blue Lagoon I show it in, because I haven't edited it all yet, so I've got to see if I will put it in or not. But yeah, that's it really. I'm sorry I haven't really recorded much. But that's Logan Beast Boy, and I'm signing out. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.